Minimum wage earner ka ba? First time home buyers at naghahanap ka ng sariling bahay? This is for you. Pwedeng-pwede ka dito. For only 70,000 all-in down payment, magkakaroon ka na ng sariling bahay. This unit has a lot area of 36 square meter and floor area of 40 square meter. Upon turnover of this unit, painted na po ang ating wall from floor to ceiling. May kasama na rin po itong sink. And as you can see, upgraded na po ang ating stairs. As you can see, upgraded na rin po ang ating second floor. From loft type to full concrete slab. If you are interested, comment down below at isesend ko sa'yo ang details. See you there!